table setting, and there were candles on the table, so I just thought that today I'll show you how we made these candles. You'll need a double boiler pot or a saucepan to put some water. You'll need a pot for your wax. You'll need wax. This is normal homemade house candles. The best wax to use, I find, is palm wax, but these are made out of paraffin wax. We can use crayons if you want to add color. A container to put our candle in, and a skewer to hold the wick together, and then we need oils. These are essential mineral oils that I'm going to use for my candle design. So let's get to it. The first thing that I'm going to do is break up my candle to put inside here. Now you'll realize that I'm not breaking or cutting the wick in the center because I normally reuse these wicks. So I'm just breaking up my candle, leaving the wick intact. Alright, so we are taking our wax and we're putting it in a saucepan with water. We don't want to apply our wax directly to the heat because it could be slightly dangerous. If your wax is left too long on the stove, it can actually catch a fire. It will begin to smoke, so that's why we use double boiler or a saucepan with water and rest our pot in it for safety purposes. We are going to add some crayons to this to change its color. So once the crayons start to melt, the color of the wax changes. What we want to do is let it cool a little bit. Not until it gets back hard, but I don't have a thermometer to measure the temperature, but I just basically let it cool a little bit. When it's getting a little cloudy on the outskirts, I'm going to add in my mineral oils. You don't want to add in the mineral oils when it's too hot because it's going to evaporate. So when it begins to cool just slightly, it's still a liquid, then we add in our mineral oils and then we're going to pour it into our glass container. So we wait until it cools. We don't want to wait until it gets too cool. And I'm going to add my mineral oil. This is lavender oil. And I also want to add some coconut scent to this. I just realized I didn't show you how to set up your wick. Now I do have a wick holder on the base, but if you don't, you simply straighten out your wick, put it to the length, and tie this on top. And the wick goes inside here, and you just leave that in, just right length. Right, so, and then you pour in your wax. You leave this about 3/4 way, and there we have it. Now when this cools, sometimes the wax sinks to the center. We left our candle to dry for about 5 hours, 4 hours, between 5 or 4 hours, and when it dries, there's a sink that comes in the center. So what we do, we just hot more wax and we're going to pour it in to fill in the sink. So you just watch inside. So we have our wax with the sink, and we just make sure that we pour enough wax to fill in that spot right there, and just to cover the top gradually. And when that dry, we should have our perfect candle. When it is completely dry, what we're going to do is just simply cut the wick to a reasonable length before we light. Today is day 11, so there are 11 more days to Christmas. And tomorrow, most likely, we'll try and create a wreath.